Introducing the Roborock Q Revo, a revolutionary robot vacuum and mop combo that promises to transform your cleaning routine. Packed with advanced features and intelligent design, it's the perfect solution for effortless, thorough cleaning. First, let's talk about the multifunctional dock. Say goodbye to dirty work with the auto mop washing feature. This ensures no manual cleaning is needed. Plus, it has hot air drying to prevent unpleasant odors. With a 5-liter water tank, the robot's tank can be refilled automatically, covering up to 4,305 square feet. And the self-emptying feature allows hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. The detachable dock base also makes thorough cleaning easy and convenient. Next, watch stains disappear with the dual spinning mops. Spinning at 200 RPM with consistent downward pressure, the Roborock Q Revo effortlessly removes stains, from soda spills to dried-on messes. With 30 water flow levels, you can fine-tune the cleaning to match your floor types and preferences, ensuring spotless results every time. The Roborock Q Revo also features auto mop lifting. With a 7mm lift, it seamlessly transitions from mopping to vacuuming. Mops are lifted when vacuuming carpets and when returning to the dock, preventing dirty streaks. Additionally, the 5,500 pascals extreme suction power tackles dust and dirt across various surfaces, from hardwood floors to tiles and carpets. The all-rubber brush floats on a multi-directional frame, effectively clearing pet hair with fewer tangles. Safety and precision are paramount with the reactive tech obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Q Revo detects and avoids potential hazards, making cleanup smooth and worry-free. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping technology creates detailed maps, allowing you to view them in 3D. You can even add furniture and floor materials to your virtual home for accurate and customized cleaning. With the Roborock Q Revo, cleaning has never been easier or more efficient. It's the ultimate robot vacuum and mop combo designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Experience the future of cleaning with Roborock Q Revo.